Matter start after 3 seconds. Start. Heard Sri Pandey Balkrishna, Learned Counsel for the applicant, Sri Raghav Ram, Learned Counsel for the informant, Learned AZA for the prosecution, and perused the records of the case. Learned Counsel for the applicant submits that the applicant has been falsely implicated in the present case by mother of the deceased. FIR came into existence on 04/07/2020 against sole named accused Kunal. As per the text, the informant is mother of the deceased. The named accused for the last 15 days is constantly calling upon her on mobile, hurling filthy abuses and extending all sorts of threats to her. Not only this, the applicant has posted objectionable pictures with her minor daughter and floated them on social media, Instagram, etc., and abusive messages just to insult and disgrace her minor daughter. Her daughter was facing all sorts of canards floated by the applicant, and resultantly she committed suicide by hanging herself by neck and took her last breath on 6/7/2020 in a local private hospital. The name and deceased is Chandra. It was urged that there was infatuation of the applicant, Kwa girl. Sensing this, the mother informant settled her marriage about 3 months back with one Chotu. Since the girl as well as boy were minor, and it was agreed between parents of both the parties that soon after they would attain their majority, formal marriage would be solemnized. Infuriated by this settlement arrangement of marriage with Chotu, the applicant called Chotu through conference and disclosed him his relations with deceased. Not only this, the applicant has also threatened the deceased regarding dire consequences about 8 to 10 days back. The applicant is also extending threats and abusive languages to the informant mother of the deceased . On this, Learned Counsel for the applicant tried to persuade the court that since applicant and deceased were in relationship, and when mother fixed the marriage with some other person, then left with no option, poor committed suicide by hanging herself. Per contra, Sri Raghav Ram, Learned Counsel for the informant, and Learned AZA vehemently refuted the submissions advanced by Learned Counsel for the applicant. It was urged that applicant is a rank ruffian. In her 161 CRPC statement, Miss Mona Devi discloses that she is widow. Applicant is in distinct relationship. He for last few years or so is teasing her daughter against her wish. Not only this, extending threats to her, she shared all her sad experiences with her poor mother. In order to save the honor and dignity of her daughter, she settled her marriage with one Chotu, who too was minor at that time. It was also decided that soon after they become major, formal marriage would be solemnized. This news reached to the applicant, who got infuriated and revengeful. He contacted Chotu on phone, disclosed her so-called relationship with deceased and threatened him for dire consequences. Not only this, for last 8 to 10 days, he was constantly blackmailing her mother that he would make her so-called relationship public and defame her. Her daughter undergone deep depression, and on 4/7/2020 she hanged herself by neck by sari. In a precarious condition, she was admitted in local private hospital and struggled for her life, but lastly on 6/7/2020 she died. The action of applicant falls within four corners of Section 306 and 107 IPC, and thus the applicant has committed the heinous offence of abetting to commit suicide after blackmailing her. Over.